welcome to the Potential LinkUp podcast. My name is KG the King and I am the host of this Potential LinkUp podcast. And guess what? I am here with the co-host who does the most, Gisby. Gisby, welcome to the Potential LinkUp podcast.
As the Potential LinkUp podcast, we don't just follow trends, but we set them. Partnering with the most leading
Indeed, we
car
do.
dealership in Vaal,
One of the biggest
known as the
dealerships
Team Vaal.
in the
They're
Vaal.
showcasing different cars.
Dealerships.
As for today, follow us if you want to see more.
Follow us for more. Come in, walk with us as we check out. Today we'll be showing you 5 different cars, I must say. We have BMW 220D, we have Toyota today, we have Ford Ranger, Wild Trek, we have JETOUR. Give us a JETOUR holiday. My name is KG the King and I am the host of the Potential LinkUp podcast. And guess what? Let me start first by introducing the background team before I introduce our co-hosts for today. I must mention that we do have Black J in the building, we do have Coffee in the building, we do have Melusi in the building, well known as our media production, and obviously one of the most commercial and so forth, Gisby.
Yay!
Please welcome to the Potential LinkUp, Gisby.
All right, my name is Laili Gatsby.
Okay.
So I am the commercial modeler.
Yes.
Today I'm going to be acting as the co-host.
Oh, as the co-host, filling in for the co-host today. Yes,
of the Potential LinkUp podcast.
Welcome to the podcast indeed. I must mention that today it is a special day. And we are here obviously collaborated with Team Vaal, one of the biggest dealerships in Vaal, obviously. And if there's one thing that I should alert our audience about is that today we'll be doing a commercial modeling, obviously hosted by who? The co-host and the most, who does the most? So tell us about today's day and what you will be bringing today.
So today we're going to be advertising cars, obviously, in the car dealership of Vaal, which is known as the Team Vaal.
Yes.
So we're going to be promoting whatever cars that we're going to be promoting if you check our videos.
Yes.
So yeah, today we're going to be...
It should be nice, but indeed.
It should be nice because why not?
Why not?
Can't be this dressed up, this formal.
You see, way. Everything is too formal to a level that, well, when you see a car, you should always remember that, meaning I should wear that formal to suit this car. Comfortability that we're speaking about today, we're speaking about sunroofs inside these cars, a lot more indeed. But what we should say is that they should stay tuned because there's a lot to see, there's a lot to learn, there are a lot of cars to see that they should bring comfortability to their own comfort. Is there anything else that I might be forgetting?
No, I don't think you're forgetting anything.
All we need to inform them is that they should stay tuned.
Stay tuned and figure out, watch me do my thing.
There's a lot coming indeed.
There's a lot coming for gas
indeed. Look, all I must say close to the camera is that stay tuned, subscribe, like to our Potential LinkUp podcast because guess what? Something big today is coming indeed.
We are bringing something new, something big, something you're not even expecting from Laili Gatsby and the team.
And the team, thank you.
LinkUp podcast, stay tuned.
Catch.
I begin to
Yes, the reverse part.
Are you rolling?
Thank you.
So we should show every detail. You'll be like, really low. These things.
Yes, start.
Hello guys, welcome to Team Vaal. Come. Guys, maglalawa.
It's giving Chris Montana what's Chisco what's
Open the door. Switch off the lights. Smile.
Hi, welcome to my car.
Guess what? Today I'll be showing you one of the most beautiful cars, a BMW 220D. Please do follow me as I show you the external part of the BMW 220D. Well known of a spacious car, a sports car must say. Follow me as we are looking at one of the 17-inch heads. Guys, look at this. Do you imagine yourself onto the anyone home? Even home? How beautiful is this car? Follow me as we check on the boot. There's the one press and it opens. And guess what? Very much spacious. Big space, I must say. You can fit in 2 sheets. I think your luggage is obviously. But follow me here. Check the interior. Check the interior. Oh, wonderful. Welcome to Team Vaal. Get yourself a BMW 220D from Team Vaal. Get in contact with Team Vaal to get yourself one of the most beautiful cars in Team. Other than that, is that you are missing out if you're not purchasing a car yet. Come follow me. Let's check out the front part of this car. Some beautiful LED lights. Over there we do have Team Vaal over here. So for purpose of contact, call them 016-421-1338. Get yourself one of the most beautiful car, BMW 220D. Let's enter. I just want to show you beautiful features about this car. Just look at this. Carbon lights, frameless door. How wonderful is that? Very much wonderful. Come with me as I enter. One of the spacious car. If there's one thing I should mention about this car, I must say that it's very much comfortable. Look at this. There's an M performance. Over there we do have our accelerator and our brake, obviously. But come to one of the most part that I like the most, the transmission part. You can always switch it to manual transmission, you can always switch it to automatic transmission, however you feel comfortable about driving this. How wonderful is that? Have you ever imagined me inside this beautiful car? Don't even imagine. Come and buy it. Catch this. My name is KG the King, well known as the host of the podcast. I introduce to you the one and only Mahindra XUV 3XO. Come with me as I show you one of the most beautiful features about this car. Follow me. I want to show you the exterior, the interior part of it first, then followed by the exterior. So let's start first by the beauty of this car. Look, very smooth to open. Just have a look. Mahindra XUV. Check out the back of this car. The comfortability in the car. Check out the comfortability in the car. Look what we have. We have enough space in between. So look, you can travel as far as you can without a problem. Not saying, yo, my legs are painful. No. Look at the comfortability of the car. Look at the space. Look at how I'm kneeling back. Look at my comfortability of my bag. Let's step out and check out one of the most beautiful features, I must say. Okay, I do. There we go. Wonderful. Spacious space indeed. Very big. You can fit in more luggages over here. Indeed, it is a beautiful car. Walk in. How beautiful is that? Look at how spacious it is. More space, more capacity. For a family, for a startup child, you can take this Mahindra. You get this. I just want to show you the interior on its own. Look at the gear lever, look at the brake discs. Oh, wonderful. Wireless charger over there. Radio. Spacious sound. What else? Oh my god, sunroof over there. We've got sunroof over there. Oh, catch us summer. Where are you, summer? Catch us. I just want to show you something beautiful. More about this car. Come check out the car lights. Come check out on these car lights. By the way, it's an automatic transmission, eh? For a learner, it wouldn't be a good thing. Check out. Catch us on Team Vaal if you want to do the purchasing of the cars. Catch us on Team Vaal on 016-421-1338. Catch us on Team Vaal. Catch this beautiful Mahindra. Look. Very much spacious. This is an M. It's a Mahindra. Oh, wonderful. There's one thing that I want to show you about this car. As I step in, just look at the beautiful features. And maybe perhaps I should say that it is an automatic car. Transmission, wireless charger over there. Oh, I'm just hoping you could feel the smoothness of this car. But if there's one thing I want to say is that part of the services that Team Vaal offers, they offer shuttle services, they offer car rentals, and guess what? You can only know that by giving them a call on the following numbers that you saw on Team Vaal. They offer a wide ranges and number of services in different cars, in different anything. But if there's the nice one, is that you can rent a car. Whichever car that you saw today, you can rent it. Because guess what? You can have your very own dream car driven by yourself through rental. Why not rent it out? Why not? Because you are missing out. You're out of it. Me, I'll couple them from Monet, like kill introduce the Koloi, Yabashimani Bakachigu, Koli Yabashiman Bakachigu, when a couple of Hellon Salem Rao, Televansa Koli Yabashiman Bakachigu, Hesed Pila Pila Gabelas Poloyakon, Nakiri, Copella and Salem Rao, little bella get the Luring, Rena Casiaca, Spaninsa, Dona, Kukulium, I can with our Lapalelo, Mariculium, learning taking all about time. Guess what? Today we have a VW Polo Vivo. A beautiful car indeed, a car with that we all know that Horbana Batakofela Balagayo. I'd be lying Henkar, but Habalika. Let Nagale so. Kelagayo na Kudi. Mar, guess what? Erguileva Tim Fanaga, where Wanega Mahar. Manual transmission. Ice.
Yeah, I'll give you something. So let's snip at me.
Check out before Nangate, Nakalabon Sayona Pila Pila. Check out Moruila. Alayaka, Julayaka, and take a pool one. And 10 custards, or again, Nagil you. And 10 custards, Cherkets in a good to sell. Cherkets in a good to sell. Artaningamaha, regular what Sebo Desabo could be Kayo. Artaningamare. Wait again. Nadigari, Rata Pila Haley. Here Tamagayo and Sakisita City would Toko. Of a larry put it turbo. Ratamana Pelamos more manuale, when Ratibori Bashimani. It's a very bella maga, Marsangas belong William Cham Tata irregular. Ay, Laya. Get yourself a manual transmission of VW Polo Vivo. Like it is as driver sa Golf 7.
Only for you.
Gonna wait for.
Hey fam.
Oh, obviously your driver over here catch us live on Team Vaal.